Making money online offers various opportunities, ranging from freelance work to starting your own online business. Here are some ways to make money online. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or Guru. Depending on your expertise, you can provide services such as writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, and more. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services online. Websites like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and VIP Kid connect tutors with students who need help in various subjects. Sell products. Start an online store and sell products through platforms like Shopify, Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. You can sell handmade goods, vintage items, print-on-demand products, or dropship products from suppliers. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate marketing programs and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can join affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys or market research studies and get paid for your opinions. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer opportunities to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, or browsing the internet. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media account, and monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, memberships, or donations. Platforms like Google AdSense, YouTube Partner Program, and Patreon can help you monetize your content. Virtual assistants. Offer virtual assistance services to businesses or entrepreneurs who need help with administrative tasks, customer support, social media management, or email management. You can find virtual assistant opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Virtual Assistant Jobs, or Zirtual. Stock photography. If you're a photographer, you can sell your photos online through stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. You can earn royalties every time someone downloads your photos. Online courses and ebooks. Create and sell online courses or ebooks on topics you're knowledgeable about. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad allow you to create and sell digital products to a global audience. App development. If you have programming skills, you can develop and monetize mobile apps or web applications. You can sell your apps on app stores like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, or offer them as paid downloads or through in-app purchases. These are just a few ways to make money online, and the opportunities are continually evolving with advancements in technology and changes in consumer behavior. It's essential to find opportunities that align with your skills, interests, and goals, and to approach online ventures with dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Before you start making money online, it's essential to assess your skills, interests, and expertise. Consider what you're good at, what you enjoy doing, and what you're passionate about. This will help you choose the most suitable online money-making opportunities for you. Once you've identified your skills and interests, research various online money-making opportunities to find the ones that align with your strengths and goals. Explore different options such as freelancing, selling products, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, content creation, virtual assistants, and more. Based on your skills and interests, choose a niche or focus area for your online money-making venture. Narrowing down your focus will help you target a specific audience and differentiate yourself from competitors. Consider factors such as market demand, competition, profitability, and personal passion when selecting your niche. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to establish your online presence. Depending on your chosen money-making method, this may involve creating a website, blog, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or online store. Choose a professional and memorable domain name, design a visually appealing website or profile, and optimize it for search engines to attract visitors. Regardless of the online money-making method you choose, focus on creating high-quality content or offering valuable services to attract and retain your audience. Provide valuable information, solve problems, entertain, or inspire your audience with your content or services. Consistency, quality, and relevance are key to building a loyal following and generating income online. Once you've established your online presence and built an audience, it's time to monetize your efforts. Explore different monetization methods, such as advertising, affiliate marketing, selling products or services, sponsored content, and freelancing. To maximize your online income potential, focus on driving traffic to your online platforms and promoting your content or services. Utilize various marketing strategies such as search engine optimization (SEO), social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, influencer partnerships, guest blogging, and online advertising to attract and engage your target audience. Regularly monitor and analyze the performance of your online presence, content, and monetization strategies using web analytics tools, social media analytics, and other relevant metrics. Identify areas for improvement, experiment with different tactics, and optimize your strategies to increase traffic, engagement, conversion rates, and revenue over time. The online landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies, trends, and opportunities emerging regularly. Stay updated on industry news, best practices, and changes in consumer behavior to stay ahead of the competition and adapt your strategies accordingly. Continuously learn, experiment, and innovate to maintain and grow your online income streams. Making money online requires dedication, consistency, and persistence. Building a successful online business or generating significant income online takes time, effort, and patience. Stay focused on your goals, keep pushing forward, and don't get discouraged by setbacks or challenges along the way. With determination and perseverance, you can achieve your online money-making objectives and create a sustainable source of income online. By following these steps and putting in the necessary time and effort, you can make money online and achieve your financial goals from the comfort of your own home. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and dedication you can build a profitable online business and enjoy the freedom and flexibility of working online. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.